Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you the easiest way to identify a unique element using XPath. So basically all the popular browsers like Chrome or Firefox provide a method that creates the XPath for our element. Um, let's open a Firefox browser, go to Google, and let's say that we want to locate this button, for example. Right click on it, inspect. As you can see, we have the entire HTML structure, and this is the element that we are looking for. So we just need to right click on it, copy, extract. Okay, so this is pretty much it. Now we have our XPath value for our element. We can check it going in the console tab, and here we need to type $lowercase x, otherwise we will get an error, and pass the value as an argument. Enter. And as you can see, we have a list of items, and in this current example we have only one element, which makes it unique. So having one element in our list means that our XPath value points only to a locator, in our case this button. Let's see how this list would look like if there were multiple elements in it. So let's create our own XPath value that contains all the images displayed in our web page. As you can see, this list contains 4 elements. Each of them represents an image displayed in our page. For example, this element represents the keyboard icon. You just need to hover it, and the image will be automatically selected in the website. Okay, so now what will be returned if we type an invalid XPath? Let's see. And there is the typo, and an empty list should be returned. Yeah, we got the list, but it has no elements in it. Thank you for watching, and in the next tutorials I am going to show you some other methods that you can use in order to locate your elements.